Morning all, hope your day's been a good one so far. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning here, it's Sunday and it's absolutely blazing. I've just had a phone call from my friend to tell me that he's going to be around in 15 minutes now. Today we're going to be going out on his boat around the islands around Koh Samui. A little bit of snorkeling, a little bit of fishing. We're going to try and find some sneaky little beaches and hopefully have an absolutely top day. So let's get our gear together, go get on the boat. Nice little stop over at Koh Tan. Feeding the fishes.
Wow, it's amazing. Daddy, come here.
Where he is. Yeah, man. That's a fish, man.
That's a fish.
That's a fish and a half. Bad little spot for a chill around the bay. Over at Koh Tan. Sneaky little white sandy beaches over yonder. How's the water, Rob? So we've had an absolutely top day today, a bit of snorkeling, some white sandy beaches, and we caught a couple of nice little barracudas. Sun's setting now, we're going to head back home, we're going to cook the old barracuda up on a nice little barbecue, fill our bellies, and settle down for the night. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at what we've been up to all day. Have a great day, take it easy, and bye for now.